Today we are back in the fields. We have our Husqvarna out here with the saw blade attachment, and we will be taking down some tall grass and creating some paths. Right now, as you can see, we are completely surrounded. I've cut out a small little path here, but we are going to extend these and make them a nice little walking area. Path's complete. Husqvarna coming in clutch yet again. Just have to take the mower back through here, brush all of it out, and it'll be ready for walking. On to the next project. Like, subscribe, and follow for more.